Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of TOC. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 1 question number 49. Consider a finite state machine with one input and one output represented by the state transaction table. The minimum number of states required to realize this FSM is dash and we need to answer in integer. This is our finite state machine. During lecture, I discussed two types of finite state machines with output. One is more and another is milli. But here it doesn't specify which type of machine is. Just consider one finite state machine with output. Now we'll compare, is there any duplicate state? If there is duplicate state, we can merge that. So from A, we can go to F. B by 0 1 and output are 0 0. Is there anything where FB 0 0? No. From F we can go to FB 1 1. Here 0 0, here 1 1. So not same. Next from B, DC 0 0. Is there anything DC 0 0? Yes. From E by 0 input we can go to D and by 1 input C, output will be 0 0. Yes. So B and E are same. We can delete E and we can merge E with B. Now C, FE 0 0. Is there anything FE 0 0? No. From D, GA 1 0. GA 1 0 from H by input 0 and 1. We can go to GA and output will be 1 and 0. Hence we can merge H with D. Okay. Now from F, FB 1 1. It's not same with anyone. From G, GH 0 1. So we remove two duplicate state E and H. After removal of these two duplicate state, we got this table. So we merge E with B and H with D. So wherever there is B or E, we just replace with BE. And wherever there is D and S, that we replace with DH. Now we'll compare this new table. Is there any duplicate states? From A by input 0 and 1 we are going to F, B, E and output are 0 0. Just check, is there any state whose inputs are same and outputs are same? From C by 0 we are going to F, by 1 B, E, then outputs are 0 0. So A and C are same, we can remove C. Now from B, E, D, H, C 0 0. No other state match with it. Then from DH, GA 1 0. No other state. From F, FBE 1 1. FBE 1 1. F that match with A but outputs are different. Here output are 0 0. Here outputs are 1 1. So A and F are not same. A and C are same but not F. From G, DH 0 1. It's not same with anyone. So what we can do, we can merge C with A. Wherever A is there, we can write AC, or wherever C is there, we can write AC. Now we have AC, BE, DH, F and G. We have 5 states and it is asking minimum number of states required for this finite state machine. Answer will be 5. We need 5 states. There are lots of repeated state. We can remove that duplicate state. After removal of duplicate state, we are getting 5 states. I already discussed finite state machines with output. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.